First of all, I want to say thank you for inviting me to Elman Media. Yeah, our preparation for the game of tomorrow, it's good because all the players are okay. We have no injuries, and we have no any other sick player currently. All players are okay. Every game is it's a challenge because every team comes when is looking forward to win, but it also depends the way the team is prepared. What I can say that we are prepared as a team. We are ready to move forward. I know that I'm only missing some little bit of technical department, which is going to be sorted. That one I know that is going to be sorted by today, and I will have a technical personnel together with me. And the message that I can send to the fans that we go to support. We don't go to do violence, because when we go to do violence, then it is really very bad. So when we are going to support, let's support our team with a good heart, and then we shouldn't have any feelings with any other team. We only concentrate and see how our team is performing, because when the team loses, it means that all of us have lost. When the team wins, it means that we are one as a team. The only thing I can say that they should always be calm. They should only concentrate, and things will move the way that we want.